I'm in the garage, you guys, and there's no Supra. It's not anywhere. We've got the GDR. We've got remains of what was the Supra.
Now what I do is, when I come across good music, I put it in a folder calling it...
music, great music found by Nov.
It's music for video.
Oh, and what, are you going to let me take this song, Nov, or not? How good is this song? What's it going to take for me to take it to my video?
Love it.
Oh wow, no. When did you do these orange? Do I even know this? I don't know this. What?
That's the orange that I told you about.
When did you do it?
The 1320 video.
Are you serious? How could I even not notice that?
I don't know.
Dude, that's a disgrace. It looks so good.
It actually looks quite shit.
Does it? Well, I mean, the actual colour itself could look better on it. But I'm saying like that
contrast looks
orange looks amazing.
But it's not a finished product.
That's alright.
Neither are the rims.
Yeah.
Neither is any of this.
Neither is what? Neither is the car, the rims. Nothing's finished.
Everything's in the works.
I'm highly considering painting my brakes. Nov's thinking the orange. What do you guys think? I'm thinking orange will look pretty damn good. There's that, just, yeah. Like, I don't mind it like that, but I just think the orange will give it a bit of a pop. Hey Nov, you definitely can't invite any friends to sit in your back seat, huh?
No.
No? Because if you want to sit in the back seat of Nov Supra, that's where you're gonna go. Right there. Oh my god. Yeah. Hey Nov, the legroom looks here a bit better than Nate's STK. I see a little bit more space. Look, you can actually move your legs around. Move them around for me. Woo!
Does not compare.
It does not compare at all. So now fix the music. Let's see if it sounds any better. I'm taking problems to add to the couple's counseling. Oh, let me. I'm the newest version of me. All my exes are on me. Wishing fountains, turn flat chest in this. Do you want to say something for my vlog?
What do you want me to say?
I don't know. How's the night been at Pizza Society?
It's been shit, man. Cops raided it.
Was it really that bad?
Yeah, they made us move.
Oh no.
Did not want to move.
Oh wow, you know what I'm pointing to Alex? It's just pitch black in there.
Wait.
Can't see anything, where is he?
Speak. There's nobody in the car.
I'm over to the dark
I
side.
can't actually see.